Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I have something very exciting, and that is a Taylor Swift makeup tutorial. I just went to her concert this past weekend and I absolutely fell in love with her makeup. It was very simple, very youthful. It had glitter, which is my favorite thing, and super girly, which I totally love as well. So I wanted to go ahead and share it with you guys, especially if you love Taylor Swift. But anyway, you will totally love this makeup tutorial because it is the perfect look for a night out. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to be using is my blurring primer from Cover FX. This primer does a really nice job at covering my pores, but the thing I love the most about it is that it does not break me out. Now we're gonna wait a little bit until it sets. I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Lock It Foundation. This is very full coverage and that's exactly what I need. And I'm going to be using my sponge from Real Techniques. And we're going to pile this baby on. Ooh, yes. I like to apply a little bit of foundation with a brush on the sides of my nose because I feel this is the best way for the product to get in there, and it's a little bit challenging to do so with the beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm using the best Tarte Shape Tape. As a setting powder, I'm going to use Bye Bye Pores by IT Cosmetics. And I'm going to pile this baby on because this is what's going to give me that flawless face. Or at least it will get me a little bit closer to looking flawless. Do you guys know of another setting powder that's really good for pores that's, a bit less expensive? Please let me know in the comments down below. This is as poreless as I am going to get today. I'm gonna apply a little bit of my 3D brow tones from Benefit to my brows so that it can lighten them up a little bit and also it can brush them. So now let's start with the eyes, and for that we're just going to use literally 2 products because I'm going to keep it very simple. I can definitely do the moon eye with the concealer and all of that, but quite frankly, I don't think that's what they used on her. I think that she had more of a natural approach and more youthful, and that's why we are going to keep it simple. I'm going to use the Huda Beauty palette, and I will be using the color Musk, which is this one right here, that brown. So again, we're going to keep this very simple. Always start in the back, that's where you want to concentrate the most color, and then just a little bit towards the front, what's left over. As you can see, I like to do a lot of back and forth, very soft strokes on my eyes, so that way it comes out blended and beautiful and just perfect for my liking. Alright guys, now to the fun part. We are going to be using the Stila eyeshadow in Diamond Dust. I have 2 of them. I have the little one and the big one. So I am going to mark, and just like we do with concealer, and that's what we're gonna apply our glitter, starting at the bottom with the most glitter and kind of diffusing it towards the top. To dry a little bit before I apply my eyeliner because I don't want to go in everywhere. While I do that, I'm going to get a pencil brush and I'm going to go back to the same shade that we were just using, and I'm going to carve out all the edges of the eyeshadow that we just popped onto our lids, just so that it looks a little bit more polished, but nothing crazy. Get same brush we had earlier, just make sure it's all nicely diffused. So now onto the fun part, and that is the cat eye, because that is what Taylor Swift loves. For that, I'm going to be using my Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner. This is a very wet pencil, so make sure you're used to using it.
Okay, there is so much glitter on my eyes that this is like, remember how I was saying it was really wet? It's kind of like drying out because of all the glitter. So have some napkins around you. Clean it out if you're using this brand or any other. Okay guys, I went ahead and fixed my wing liner a little bit off camera. One of my kiddos woke up, so I had to go there and it got a little smeared. So I had to fix it, but this is how it's looking. And now the next step is gonna be to apply eyeliner at the bottom. And I'm gonna be using a new one from Jordana, 12 Hour Made to Last. This is so inexpensive, I really wanted to try it. I don't want to go too heavy on it because I didn't see her wearing heavy eyeliner. But again, it could have been that her makeup was like going all over since it was so hot and, you know, humid in the stadium here in Florida. So you can use falsies right now. I'm not gonna do that because I am trying to stay away from them because they would damage my own lashes. So I'm gonna use Better Than Sex for this look. Also Taylor Swift, if she uses fake lashes, they're very, very natural looking. So for this look, definitely go natural if you want it to look like hers. The problem with doing a cat eye and not using falsies is that your own lashes get lost since it's like a black line across your eye. But it's okay, we're gonna go natural today.
For my contour, I'm going to use the Shade and Light palette by Kat Von D, and I'm going to have a very light hand applying this.
Alrighty then, I'm satisfied. And for my cheeks, I'm going to use, it's kind of like a pinky, rosy type of blush because that's what I saw her wearing, and this is from Lychee Plus Gold Healthy Glow Rose Gold Blush from Seraphine Botanicals. And now to the fun part, another fun part, which is the lips. I'm gonna use the Jordana Easy Liner for Lips in Cabernet, and I'm going to use the lipstick called Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip Color from Jordana as well, and the color is Sweet Marsala Wine. I'm going to line them a little bit and then I'm going to fill them in. strong lipstick, so I'm not gonna do 2 coats of it. I did that yesterday and my lips disappeared. They looked black. Kind of like an ombre lip. So I'm gonna now line them again just to clean out the edges. I like doing this.
And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Till next time.